when you kid into an off-plan project and your experience is not palatable, in fact, till date, you have still not gotten a location after so many years. This is the reason why you need to watch this video, because 91 residents, oh my God, it is different. This project is just less than 6 weeks, that's a month and a half, and you can see what we have achieved. So today is more of telling you about our progress on site and telling you if you have not keyed into 91 residents, you need to do that right now because we have limited slots available. This is not the usual off plan where you key into and you have to wait. No, with what we have achieved within the little period of time, you know that this one, in terms of integrity, you're looking for a company to trust with your real estate development, then this is it. I have with me the MD of Bruce Realty, and he's the developer of 91 residents. Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
All right, good afternoon. My name is Boluwati Febabarende, and I'm the CEO of Bruce Realty. And this is 91 Residences Cluster 1, because we have it in different clusters, private residences in different clusters.
Okay, so tell us about where we have 91 residents.
We have it in Lekki Peninsula Scheme 2. It's a very good, attractive, strategic location located off Ogombo Road. That's Ibamade Sonya, Ogombo Road, yeah. And it's inside an estate in Lekki Scheme 2. And it marks everything, perfect title, approval, security, power supply, everything is perfect and it's well coordinated. The houses, you can see the kind of structures that are in this environment. They are standard and modern structures, and it's a classy environment as well. And it's an environment that gives you easy accessibility to the coastal roads. That can take
because I just wanted to ask that.
Yes,
what's the need for us
exactly,
in this location?
Once you come out, in less than 5 minutes, you access the road, and in less than 15-20 minutes, you are in Victoria Island, right? So also, if you're also going to Shangotedo to the Novari Mall, in less than 10 minutes, you're already in Novari Mall. And other access to other places, either you're going towards the Lekki, and here, so that accessibility is there. And also access to malls. In front of the Lekki Scheme entrance gate, we have the Ojaja Mall. We have so many malls there. We have filling stations. We have lucrative environment. We have access to beach. So you can easily access the
Barracuda Beach, Atcan Beach,
exactly. You can easily
Beach,
access them. Then hospital and so many things that is right in this location.
See, what if we are just telling that when you're asking for location, because location and real estate is like you cannot differentiate both, because when you are thinking of real estate, you are thinking of where is it located. Exactly. And this location, it ticks all the boxes. Easy accessibility in and out of the state. 2 exits like the coastal road, easy access to VI. Yes. And whether you are going towards Meleko, very easy, because the coastal road from VI to Calabar. And also you have another route here, that's the Lekki Expressway, which makes it easy. So in case if you hear that, there's traffic on Lekki Expressway, you can easily find your way through the coastal road. So that being said, aside the location, what does 91 residents bring to the table? Let me use that term. Like, what makes this project different?
All right, so I mean, we understand that some people also like private residences. They don't really want too much crowd, too much. So it's a private. So it's 91. We are doing 91 homes, but in different clusters.
Okay.
So it's a private residential listing that gives you access to smart living, right? It gives you access to living in an environment that is highly secured, that gives you access to living in an environment that is comfy, that, I mean, sophisticated, right? And also with the features that we have in the houses, everything is going to be smart. Also, we encourage access to electricity in the estate, fully fitted kitchens, ample car park spacing, and so many things.
So the car parking is going to take how many cars for each resident? 2 cars, okay.
It's going to take 2 cars.
Then the fittings for the kitchen, what's it coming with?
Yes, it's coming with that heat extractor. It's coming with oven, it's coming with gas cooker.
Okay.
So we're going to do that too.
All right.
And also, we are going to have access to gym facilities.
Right here?
Yes, right here as well. So,
all right, so you've heard it's all the essential amenities that you need for your daily life. You're actually going to get it here, and easy access to malls. Okay.
Also, you have the family lounge as well.
Oh wow.
Yes, you have the family lounge. You have the balcony. The ventilation, everything is properly checked.
If you have to rate the spaces of the room, the living room,
yeah, it's
from 1 to 10, what's going to be your rate?
I give it over 10.
10, 10 over 10.
I give it 10 over 10.
So
Yes,
if it's saying 10 over 10, then you can imagine what it's trying
it's
to
because
talk
we are
about.
very, very intentional,
Okay.
right? We are building in what we also can live in. We are not just building because we want to sell. We are building in what we can also use ourselves personally. So the first question that we have to answer when we are bringing this product to the market is like, can I live in this space?
Yeah.
So because you can live, so you have to build to something that you can be also that can serve you as well. So whatever that can serve you, you'll be able to serve others as well. So that is why. And we are so much intentional. No day off with the site. Monday to Sunday we are working, and we are not compromising on our materials. We've done all our material testing and everything.
In fact, I'm really, really excited because I was not here, but I saw the video that was done about almost 6 weeks now ago, and it was Belland. And getting here, standing on this decking, wow! I'm really, 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 really excited, and I'm impressed. For those that watched the previous video, I'm very sure they are impressed also. And if this is the first time you are hearing about this estate development, this is 91 residents. I'll tell you, this is where you should pitch your tent. Because with what we have achieved, you already know that no, we are not here to joke, we are not here to play. Workers currently like this, they are on the site, they are working. So how many units are we looking at here, and what building type?
Yeah, so we have 3-bedroom terraces, and it all comes with BQ.
Okay.
So in this particular cluster, because we are doing cluster by cluster, this cluster is 6 units.
Okay.
Right. So yes, and we are also working on other clusters that will have more units also in this Lekki Scheme too.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
And
but this one is just 6 units.
Then our cluster 2 also will be released very soon. In a matter of days from now. So the same prototype and the little improvements.
Okay, can you just tell us what you've done so far and what you should be expecting the next 1 or 2 months?
Okay, so presently right now, I mean, we are done with our foundation, we are done with the lintel. We are currently at the decking level.
Yeah.
So, and the iron benders now will be rounding up the decking work for this particular unit in about tomorrow. So after this now, we can now do our casting.
Okay.
Right. So immediately we are done with the casting of this particular block, we immediately start the framework of this particular one. Right. So because I want them to do a proper job and not to rush anything, so that because decking is a phase that you need to be very, very, very careful. Right. So we don't want to take chances at all. So they are giving it more time to ensure that whatever they are doing it perfectly and they are doing it well. Okay. So and once we are done with our casting, then the decking is fully ready. Then we now start the block work to the final level. Then we can roof.
So it's on how many floors?
That's 2 floors. Yes. That's
the ground floor.
The ground floor.
And the first floor.
Yes, and the first floor.
Right. So this is what we have here: 3-bedroom terrace duplex with a big queue. Okay. When are you looking at wrapping this up? When are you going to?
All right. So we promise our client 12 months.
Yes. But what I'm saying.
12 months exactly. So we want to surpass our premise. So that's what we are telling everybody. But we want to catch our people in there.
So you started this last month, which was March.
Yes.
So it means by next year March, this will be fully delivered. But what I'm saying, I'm very sure that
we have a date we are working with. So I don't want to tell that date.
No, let's surprise them.
Exactly. I don't want to tell you
let's
that
not put it on the camera.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you've heard a lot, and I believe with what you have seen and what you have heard, you know that this is just one project you should key into right now. If you are looking for a home as a family person, or you are looking for a home for investment, which I believe this is going to actually give you a whole lot, like good return on investment, you can buy this now, because currently we are still selling at the pre-launch price. See, I'm really, really particular about this because we are doing Ojoro, because this price should have gone up by now.
Exactly.
While before we started, we told you that this is 135 million naira. With the amount of work that we have done, this should be selling for 150 million naira as we speak, which is the launch price. But we understand. That's why we are like, this is just, let me just say, we are giving you some kind of benefit. So if you know you want this, you need to call that number right now. You just need to make your request known immediately. Just call that number on your screen, because in less than 2 weeks, 2 weeks is even much. But what I'm saying, if you want to watch this video, you need to call immediately so that you can get this for this pre-launch price of 135 million naira. You heard me, the current price is supposed to be 150, but we'll still give that to you if you call within a short time. Immediately you watch, like,
unit, actually.
And we have limited units available because you heard it, 6 units is all we have here, and people have started subscribing. So we have few units left. We will not disclose how many units. And also we have another cluster coming up right here at Lekki Peninsula Scheme 2, also off Ogombo Road, and easy accessibility, smart features, everything that you need. A gym, you are also getting it here. So this is a superb one. So if you're talking about rental value, do you know what's the rental value for 3-bedroom duplex now here?
Over 7 million. So it should be more than that. Over 7-8
million. So buying this now, and let's say we finish this, plus or minus March next year. That's the timeline we are giving you. You know how much we're putting this out for rent, so you know that we are getting a good return on investment on this one. And aside yearly rent, you can even put it out for short let.
Exactly.
Yes, which is super. You just need to furnish it to taste, make it a standard shared apartment, and every night you'll be getting nothing less than 200,000 naira on your unit. I mean, nothing less. It could be more than that. So this is just the best time for you to come on board right now. We also have a flexible payment plan, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's the payment plan?
I have the payment plan up to 6 months.
Up to 6 months. What's the initial deposit?
40%.
40%. So you can see you don't need to bring all the money all at once. 40% and a unit or more. You can see. I will not ask you to just key into one. Buy 2, buy 3. 40% down payment is what you need to key into this, and you can spread your payment up to 6 months. Does it have an interest?
Yes, for 6 months, that's an interest.
What's the interest? 5 million. Oh, that's not much. 6 months, 5 million naira
interest. You can do 4 months, no interest.
4 months, no interest. Wow, that's very good.
Yeah,
so
4 months. Even up to 5 months, no interest.
Even up to 5 months, no interest. All right, so you can key into 91 residents at 3-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ currently. That's the pre-launch price is 135 million naira. With 40% down payment, you can key into a unit here and spread your payment for 3 months, 5 without interest. But anything that makes you to spread your payment for 6 months, you'll be paying a 5 million naira interest on it. And the title here is governor's consent. So no government encumbrances, no manila wahala, no government acquisition. This is free like a bed. Yes, this one is free. There's no issue here. You can do your due diligence. And also, I believe we have our building approval for this.
Definitely, yeah.
So we have our building approval. You can request for it if you want to go and run your check. So this one is very, very, very good. So Sales Properties will not bring to you anything that has issue. And whatever you see on our channel is the best of the best. I'm even get you the best deal. Like I said, 135 million naira is what you will be paying if you call that number right now, instead of the current 150 million naira. The price has gone up, but you still get this for 135 million naira if you call that number right now. So this is the best time. This is 91 residents. This is our first cluster. Our second cluster is coming up soon, but I want you to take advantage of this one. Look at what we are able to do in 6 weeks. Tell me what beats that. And you are looking for a developer to trust. I know you've had a lot of experiences, if not yours, you've heard a lot of other people's experiences that were not so palatable. And I know a lot of people already, I don't want to buy property in Nigeria, especially in Lagos, there's no one to trust. I'll tell you, it's because you've not worked with the right people, yes. And you just need to stay closely with Sales Properties so we can show you the way, yes. Follow who know road, that's what I would tell you. So all you need now is to call that number and let's get you on this one. This is 91 residents. And if you are coming across our channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, follow us across all social media handles at Salesview Properties, and my name remains Ayomide, your dignified realtor from Salesview Properties. So I want you to call that number right now. You don't want to miss out of this one. This is 135 million naira, and you can spread your payment up to 6 months. This is the best time. 40% down payment is all you need. We'll be expecting your call. So thank you for watching to the end, and see you next time. Bye.